Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Kali. Good morning, Kali. Today is March 7, Friday. Last day of school before spring break. Next week, spring break. Walang pasok yung mga kids. Gawa tayo coffee. Gusto yung Nescafe 3-in-1 ko, guys. So, change na naman tayo ng kopi ko. Masarap din to. Ito yung ginrab ng asawa ko. When we went to Asian store. Kailan na kami nag-Asian store? Ang tagal na. I think like mga a month ago. Tagal na nag-Asian store. Kailangan ko mag-Asian store ulit because I was thinking of sana meron sila. I was like planning of buying this. Naubusan na kasi ako ng pang-coat ng chicken. Ano bang tawag nun? Crispy fry. Lalaro na naman ako ng Puppy Keep everyone. Kasi Puppy Keep is life. Here, almost na ako matapos. Nana ko sa 99.99. What do you want?
Igo rin, anak.
Isa ka anak na po.
Clip ni.
Ni. Dili naman na igo. Baga mo kay mong buhok.
Hati maigo tingin.
Hanga daw.
Puppy Keep, guys. Dula sa Puppy Keep, guys. Kay
Tagalog
dili siya
English?
scam.
English. Say it English. Baka sabihin nyo guys, no? The kids are still speaking Bisaya because I'm a Bisaya person, so we still speak Bisaya.
If you guys want free money in Shein, then
It's
say
not
Puppy
free
Keep.
money.
If
It's
you
not
want
free money.
a
It's
discount,
a discount. No, free item and
if you want
free credit.
30 credit in Shein, then you must play Puppy Keep to earn it.
Charot.
But Tagalog, no.
You want to speak English instead of Tagalog? Okay.
No, just Puppy Keep.
Ano luwi man? Almost na ako, 89.72. Pag ma-100 na yan, kompleto na yan, makuha ko na yung ano.
Tapos balik na pagka.
Balik na po ko sa first.
Pila na credit yung nakuha?
I got twice already.
Twice? So, thrice na ni.
Up to you. Mura magluag. She's ready to go to school. You only have 4 minutes and then...
No, I'm not ready. Init ka.
Init ko? I'm warm. I'm going with you guys. The sky is very beautiful. Gloomy day. Excited na daw siya spring break. She said like, yes, last day of school and next week no classes. Yoo-hoo. The house that I like is there. When I get a lottery, win lottery.
So, what she's saying, she doesn't really like our house that much.
I didn't say that. Bye! Bye, Ashley! We almost gave up, but we finally like see the picture of this puzzle. Kasi ang liliit naman kasi. Tingnan nyo naman to guys. Oh. But the kids enjoyed putting sometimes when they come here. Like, okay, I see something and they just added. Ganyan yung ginagawa namin. Actually, sobrang kalat niya tingnan. I was thinking before na i-fix, ilagay ko na sa box ba. But then sabi ko, sige, try natin ulit. And then nalagay namin, unti-unti na guys. Oh, so tatapusin namin to. Before ko ilagay sa box. You know, this one is actually this one. I think that's this.
This will go in. This is at the end of this, I think. Yeah.
Well, this red one, this is this big.
Yes, I know that.
No.
This is the one that I put that together.
Back yung ating laundry. And then, ang dami kong laundry doon sa laundry area din. Yung mga clothes sa mga bata. Ang dami kong lalaban today. Yan. Anyway, yan pala yung nag-paint ako nung nakaraan pa last month pa ata guys. Tapos biglang lumamig, hindi ko na natapos. So I will be finishing this paint. Sabi ng anak ko, tapusin mo na ma. I will. So ganyan yung mukha niya. Hindi pa yan tapos guys. So I can still like do things. May mga idadagdag tayo and everything. So 3 yan. So inisip ko na tapusin ko siya kasi ilalagay ko siya dito sa aming headboard. So tatanggalin ko yan. So lilipat ko yan. So, i-replace natin yung my own art. Yan lang kabilis. Diba kanina sobrang kalat ng ating bed. O yan. Tapos na. Fix. Fix and fix anyway. Lagay ko muna tong jacket natin dito sa ating closet. Yung closet na hindi pa masyadong organized. Yan guys. Yung sa box na yan. Yung mga old clothes. Or meron ako mga may mga clothes ako na nabili na hindi ko masusuot. So, andyan sa box na yan, inisip ko nga ipapadala ko sa Pinas. Pero, baka sa July na. Yung asawa ko, sobrang daming clothes. Sobra. Sa lahat ng closet na to guys, yung asawa ko yung may pinakamaraming clothes. Even if actually, naglilit go na siya ng marami na rin yung clothes na nilit go niya. Pero marami pa siyang clothes, my gosh. Hindi naman niya sinuot yung iba. Well, actually, marami siya mga clothes siya na hindi niya sinuot. So, hopefully, maglilit go din siya ng iba. Maybe. We'll see. Ang gaganda pa naman ng mga clothes niya. Kaso yung iba kasi hindi na niya hindi igo. Lahat yan, puro labonon. Lalaban ko lahat yan. 1, 2, 3. Oh my. But, saan tayo? But, thank God naman kasi meron tayong washer here. It's easier to wash clothes. Pag meron tayong ganito. Kasi, mag-aantay ka na lang matapos pa. You will just wait until it's done. Tupik na lang yung gagawin mo after. Ew. Ipaibog jud na ako ni, okay? So, nagpunta kaming Goodwill yesterday. Ako, tsaka yung asawa ko. Tingnan nyo yung nakita namin guys, oh. Diba? It's used basket, pero sobrang ganda pa rin niya guys. And I was thinking na lalagyan ko siya ng tanaman, halaman. Sabi ng asawa ko, laundry basket man yan. Sabi ko, hindi. Pwede natin ito lagyan ng plants. So, bibili tayo ng plants. Tsaka dito natin ilagay ba. Magiging outlet ito. Magkano lang bili namin nito guys? Sa Goodwill to. Then, may binili din akong clothes. Kano to? Oh, $4 lang. San ka? Only Goodwill na may $4 na basket na malalaki. Kung brand new mo to bibilhin guys, siguro nasa mga $20 or $30. Pero hindi ko naman kailangan ng brand new. Kasi tingnan nyo, kung malayuan lang, hindi mo naman talaga malalaman na, hindi mo malalaman ba na use na tong basket na to pag malayuan. See? Ang gusto ko lang naman kasi, like, meron tayong yung guys, yung plano ko, andyan yung, tingnan yung fake plants yan, nabili ko Shein. Lagyan ko pa yan ng mga bato. Yung bato, nasa garage pa, hindi ko pa nalagay. So, pwede kami bumili ng pot, lagyan namin ng real plant, and then ilalagay dito. O, di maganda na. Tapos, ilagay namin sa living room. Hey guys. Diba, sabi ko kanina, hindi ako sasama. So, yung asawa ko, sabi niya, sama daw ako kasi may pupuntahan kami. So, ang gagawin namin guys is, i-drop namin si mom sa kanyang physical therapy. And then, we will go somewhere. Hindi ko alam kung saan niya gusto pumunta. Sabi niya, sama ka lang kasi may pupuntahan tayo. So, nakapagbihis ako guys. Imbis na, hindi na ako sasama kasi may mga gusto pa akong gagawin. But it's okay. It's okay. Ay, my gosh. fresh. Ulan dyan eh. Mag-shoes na lang siguro ako na. Kasi pag mag-heels ako and then uulan, patay. Mag-white shoes na lang ako. Ouch. Yan, simple lang tayo today. Sinuot ko ulit yung ating jeans na yung asawa ko, basher talaga to yung asawa ko, guys. Sabi niya, wala ka bang pambili ng jeans? Bakit yung suot mo butas-butas? Tingnan yung suot ko. Ito kasi yung mga jeans na gusto ko yan. Like baggy jeans ba? Actually, yung suot ko today, ganito. Kasi, mas maganda siya pag crop top. Ang problema sa labas right now, malamig. So, ganyan. Tsaka ganyan. Ay, yung mga butas-butas natin, guys. So, suotin ko yung white shoes. So, yan lang. And then, yung bag ni Ma'am Ami na bigay. Like this anymore? Okay! Kelly! Ay! Jump! Jump! Get! 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 Favorite niya yan eh. Kahit marumi na yan. Favorite.
Wow, you just got in there. You need me to help you.
Let's go. You can close that. I have to. Alright.
Time for me to go work out, I guess. I don't know what they're going to have me doing today.
They might like ask you to run.
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 Yeah, be nice if I could. Without
Yeah.
falling down.
You can. The seatbelt, please.
Okay, I'll see.
Yung asawa ko pumasok. Ito yung close college here. Malapit sa amin, guys. Blend College. Pumasok yung asawa ko kasi before, he was thinking about registering. Mag-study ulit ng college. Because when he was still in Guam, he was studying biology. Yung asawa ko nandun. Ayun, naglalakad. Hindi ko alam kung makikita niya. Ang liit niya eh. Ayun oh. Ayun. Tama ba yung parang kahoy lang ah. Ayun. Kita niya ba yan? Hindi ko alam. Nasa Lowe's kami. Is this a... Oh no, this is a fruit.
Tree, and
This one is
crab apple tree.
This is what we always put in a halo-halo, diba? Just assuming maybe. But we're just looking for like plants ba kay palitan ko yung plants na inibot. May tinanggal ako sa labas, guys, sa front yard namin na plants kasi namatay. Kailangan namin palitan. These are all like fruits.
These are apple trees, plum trees.
Oh, I want apple in our backyard. How much is giatot? Mahala manana. Uy. That's $38. Oh my. Well, but it's already alive.
Pretty tall. So
It's
you'll
very
probably get fruit in 3-4 years.
4 years?
4 years, 5 years, heck, I don't know. Like
Mahal man.
with apple trees, you normally need 2.
But this is alive already.
They
We can have.
guarantee it'll live for a year.
Mahal oy, $38. Pero I want fruits in our backyard. Hala, this one as well. Looks like an apple to me, but it's not.
That's plum tree.
Plum. I haven't tasted plum tree in my life. What's that? Orange?
Yep.
Oh,
Mandarin.
how much is that? I love orange.
It's hard to grow oranges here because
Oh,
we get fruits.
Shucks, how much?
Avocado.
This is avocado. It's $52. How about the orange one? How much is that? There's price. The orange tag. No, the orange tag. This one. Here's the price. I think. Oh my gosh, that's $50.
You don't remember who told you to go there for blood work?
The other blood wasn't any good. And that they needed to for blood work. Well, they can't do the blood work.
Grabe yung bilis ng oras. We have to pick up Yashli, Kali. What time is it? 3:35. We have to pick up Yashli. Nagiging sunny na outside right now. Anyway, inaantay ko na lang yung asawa ko, guys. Nagbabasa na kanyang book. Babe! It's time to go. It's time to go. And then, sabi niya kasi meron kaming pupuntahan. Naisip niya yon. I mean, we've been here for like 3 months na. I think 3 months. Yeah, December, January, February, March. Yeah, 3 months na kami nandito sa bagong bahay, guys. At ang dami pa rin namin gamit. Nasa hallway, nasa garage. And then, napagod niya yung asawa ko. Sabi ng asawa ko, I'm tired of it. He is going to like, magre-rent ulit kami ng storage sa kung saan nag-rent siya before. Pero this time, maliit na storage yung i-rent namin. And pupunta kami ngayon. After picking up Yashti, I guess. Hindi ko alam kung mag-stop over kami post office. I'm not sure. Punta pa ba kami post office? Napunta kami kanina. May nakuha kaming letter for Nicole. Mamaya explain ko mamaya pagbalik namin. Itong aso namin ba makatawa man jugo ani niya, oy? Why are you so cute, gyud? Super babe and super cute. Makatawa gyud ko niya. Like, laging tumitingin sa akin na, marabag, play with me all the time. Play with me all the time. Play with me all the time. You wanna walk today? You want to walk again today? Huh? You wanna walk today? Oy, ay kugkuan na. You want out? Okay. Pagdali, okay, we're leaving pa. Picking up Yashli, come on. Mainit na siya. Few days ago, guys, itong mga gusto ko yan itapon yung mga boxes na yan, pero yung asawa ko gustong ikip ba nang lupad ni tanan, guys. Nag-fly away gano'n siya kay sobrang lakas ng hangin nung 2 days ago, I think. Ayan, di ko pa yan nagalaw nga kasi marami akong ginagawa sa loob. But ito kasi sabi niya mga ano to, guys, mga paper na pwede mong ilagay pag nagpa-packing ka ba ng mga gamit, nagmo-move. Yan yung mga papel na ginagamit. Ayaw niyang itapon. Sayang din naman, mahal din yung isang rolyo nito, guys. So, hindi ko alam. Dadalhin namin yan sa storage, I'm sure. Kali, does it taste good? You're eating the grass. 5:33 in the afternoon. Alis kami ni Belle. Pupunta kaming Sam's today. Kanina supposed kami pupunta when we pick up Yashti, but you know, we rush home kasi kailangan namin i-check si mom. Di kasi siya sumasagot. I called her 2 times and she's not answering, so I was like, let's go home. So we got here. Yashti doesn't want to come with us in Sam's, and Nicole is here as well, and they just wanted to be home. So now that the kids are there, just to look check on her all the time. So we are leaving, go to Sam's, but first we have to drop all of these boxes. Drop namin siya sa storage today. We already got the storage. Sinabi ko yun kanina, diba? So, kumuha na kami ng storage. That's really good choice. Gaganda ng mga bahay dito.
That's too narrow.
This one? But yeah, they are doing something.
They're doing something. And, well, I remember Clay saying something about their
guys, may mga bahay pa dito available,
all of that. So.
Ganda ng mga bahay dito, guys. Kaganda, diba? Dami pang available,
but
actually.
This one says available.
We are in Sam's. This is what I came for. I want this color. Sige na, okay, mahurot ni babe. What do you mean?
$20.
That's not the one I want. Diba this one? This is the one we...
This one's $15.
I don't want the small one. Big. Because we can put it like on the entrance. This color I like, but it's plastic. Can we just... You're not allowed to crack this. This one. Are you allowed to just move that one? Maybe. Yeah.
Hold on to that. You mean like this?
Yeah, I like that one. Thank you. What is this for? Thank you so much. The roses are dead. See?
Well, right
they're
now they are.
dead.
$11.68.
That's so expensive. I'll just go to Lowe's again. Sam's na kami. We're inside. Mom is asking you to buy her the popcorn cheddar. less sodium. Ito lang pinunta namin dito. No, just kidding. Hindi ko alam kung ano i-grab nito ang asawa ko, guys. Oh no. No more cake. It's too early to get cake for Nicole. This is because they have free taste, and she was like, try this. This one. No, this one. This is the one I tried. This is really good. Just me. You sure? Love you. I'm not gonna say no. My favorite bread. We've got 4 items. I got the big sanitizer, so I don't have to buy small. I just refill my bottle.
Pounds, it's $26. This one is bigger, but it's $10.68 a pound.
Yeah, but remember, that's a beef. That's why. How many pounds is this?
So this is, well, it's almost 7 pounds. This is $73 for this.
Holy.
But
Okay.
you could eat that. You could eat
For
a
1
week.
month.
What? A week?
For a week. If it's just the two of us eat this one, I'm sure. But we will only eat beef all the time. I cannot do that. I want to eat rice. So there's rice
You
already?
just- no.
Oh.
You have to eat, but you eat it with rice.
Oh, it looks good. My gosh, tataba talaga tayo nito. But this one, we have this at home. I haven't opened the one that we got from here as well. And then
you
that's
like,
the one that we had, right?
Yeah. Did you like that?
Oh, no, Angus beef. No.
Seasoned Angus
Wait.
beef bites.
Oh yeah, it's so very salty for me. It's
It is what?
salty.
It's what?
It's so salty. I like it, but because it's soft, but it's very salty. Ganat. K1 kasi mura lang dito, guys. $3 siya. So kaya dito ako bumibili ng pineapple kasi sa Walmart mahal. Parang gusto ko i-try itong mangga dito, pero parang $1 yung kailangan mo bilhin. It's $10 per box, I think. Pero masarap siya. I need to... Guys, you have to help me fold the clothes. Fold the clothes. Gadihar mo, gasigig dula. Dara, we are home. Bahay na kami, guys. Oh my gosh. Ito lang naman pinunta namin. Oh, bumili kami ng iba pa. Like, I got my lettuce, my favorite pineapple, of course. Kailangan ko pineapple. Love na love ko talaga yung pineapple, guys. Ito yun. Masarap to, guys, sa salad. Ano bang tawag nito? Ito, para cucumber ba yan? Yan, masarap yan sa salad. And sandwiches. So, bye! Masarap to. Sabi ko, masarap yan. Bilhin na natin. Do you want something to eat?
I'm the reason why one step at a time.
Oh. Ha? Mamilo, ang imong hugasong dire. Thank you so much for my big pack. Magtatanim na ako. Parang buslot man. Tanim mo. Dapat buslotan siya. Waiting. Ang ganda to sa labas, guys. Dito, oh. Dito siguro, no? Dito. Tapos malaking plants. Yan. And then, ito yung pinag-pull out ko nung nakaraang araw, guys. Wala nang tanim. Kasi namatay siya nung winter, ay pinull out ko. So, palitan natin siya ng mga halaman. Ito, buhay. Yung isang roses na ibot pod, kaya namatay. 3 rose na lang yung naiwan. Anyway, dito muna kasi wala pa tong laman. So, para hindi manakaw, baka nanakawin. Maigo ba? I think maigo or hindi maigo. Baka hindi maigo. Lagay natin dito para maglagay sa refrigerator. Carne ba? Kasi itong sushi yung kakainin ko tonight. Hopefully hindi sasakit yung tummy ko. Kasi raw siya, guys. Anyway, meron ako ipapakita sa inyo. I'm not sure if this vlog is already long vlog. But we were waiting. Like, akala ko akala ko aabuti ng weeks or weeks yung green card ba. So, dumating na pala yung green card namin ni Yashley kahapon. Kahapon namin siya kinuha sa post office. Diba, remember, sabi ko sa inyo, kaya kami nagpuntang San Antonio ng nakaraan because kailangan ng bagong picture si Nicole para sa green card kasi yung napasa namin is nakangiti siya. So, na-late pag-produce yung green card ni Nicole. So, hindi siya dumating kasama sa green card namin ni Yashley kasi huli siyang na-produce ba. So, ang meron ako dito is yung green card ko at saka green card ni Yashley. Meron tong guys, toyo. Bubuksan natin yung may toyo siya. Masarap tong ito, ano bang tawag nito? Para siyang parang papaya ba? Atchal, ano ba tawag niya? Masarap siya. There you go. Ano pa to? Walton roll. Roll. Since wala kaming chopstick, tinidor yung gagamitin natin. Kasi wala akong chopstick. Oh my gosh, lamig ko siya, I swear. Lamig ko siya, guys. Telling you. Kararating lang namin, diba? Yung asawa ko nag-watch na agad ng politics. Ganyan siya, guys. But anyway, tapos na kumain yung kids, tapos na kumain si Ma'am Sibel. Kumain na yan kanina before kami umalis. And again, nasa diet mode siya, guys. So, yung mga kinakain niya, meat lang. So, this time, kasi nag-change siya ng kanyang diet. So, he has to eat in the morning and he has to eat like in the afternoon. So, twice na siya kumakain. But he had limit sa kanyang consumption na meat. Which is, I think it is good kasi it works naman. Nag-lose talaga siya ng weight. Not a lot for the moment kasi kaka-start niya noong last week. Anyway, tapos na akong kumain. And this is what I said to you guys. Ito yung green card na nakuha namin yesterday. I'm really sure na green card siya kasi ito lang naman yung in-expect namin na letter, which is from, of course, immigration or USCIS. So, ito yung sa akin and then kay Yashley yung isa. And I just wanted to open it right now. Sabi ng asawa ko, magpakita yung number, of course. I'm very surprised kasi ang bilis nila. Like, nag-produce sila sa card namin. I think yung tawag nila was 27, if I was not mistaken, or 28. And then, like, nakuha namin to kahapon. So, pag-produce niya the next day, 2 days later, andito na. Oh my gosh! Ayan na, guys. Oh! Welcome! Meron na siyang pa-welcome and everything. Ano ba tong laman nito? Please use the enclosed sleeve to store your new card. Tingnan niyo! May pa-welcome na! Welcome to the United States. A guide for new immigrants. See? Wow! Cute naman ito. Cute naman ito. Ito lang yung nakikita ko. Alam mo yun? Like, I was never expecting. Hindi naman talaga ako nag-expect. Even before na makakarating kami dito sa US. Alam niyo yun? Like, but I think, like, if that's really God's plan, you know, yeah. I mean, like, wala talaga akong in-expect, guys, na makakapunta kami dito ng US. Kasi, ordinaryong tao lang, diba? And all of a sudden, I chatted my husband now, like 2020 pa yun, during COVID. And then, dito na kami. So, I'm just so very happy. Thank you so much. Ang saya nito. Yung mukha ko. Oh my gosh. Meron bang number yan? Ah, meron nga. Ang cute. Hello. Nice yung ano niya. Nice yung card. Tapos meron pang torch. Ng parang, saan ba yung torch? Sa New York ba yung may torch, guys? Ang ganda. Okay. Wag nang ipakita yung mukha dyan. Kasi mukha tayong ano, parang yung nagpa-ID sa, anong tawag nito? Yung nagpa-ID tayong, kuha tayo ng lisensya ng motor na one click lang and that's it. Pero mukha ko naman yan. Hindi nga lang ako nakapag-makeup. Bawal eh. But anyway, we're so grateful. Thank you, Lord. Again, thank you, Lord. Ito naman kay Yash dito. Yash! Awa na, hindagan na sa yung kwarto. Same din yung laman. Meron kaming pa ganito. This one. Yung ganito. And then, cute si Ashley. Ashley is cute in this picture.